Is Bitcoin going to go higher by $10,000 in just the next 8 days? You want to know everything about that, the information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arneto. We are happy watching the chart that Bitcoin is trying to go over and over to the $69,000 line and make a new higher high, which would be amazing. And we were amazed last week because remember that we found support in this line, and now we are attempting of the second breakout of this resistance that might be the one that finds supports here and builds the foundation for the next leg up with Bitcoin. That would be, of course, amazing. Remember to smash the like button, and we will tell you in the next crypto news if that's the case. Right now, we closed the weekly last week in the red, which is strange. We told you that we were expecting all of them to be in the green, as we had sometimes in the similar past, but we had just very small red candle of 1.46%. Right now, we are in the green. So maybe the tendency, the trend is going to be green still. And also remember, we told you in previous videos that the 44th week of the year for Bitcoin since 2013 only had 1 year in the red, 2019. That was a crypto winter, so we don't expect that to happen. In any case, we are not experts. This is not financial advice. October is in the green, 7.73 as time of recording of this video. We wonder if October is going to close in this 7%, maybe higher, as we told you in previous videos. We'll tell you in the next ones about this close of the monthly candle that might be one of the best of the whole Bitcoin history. We are just 6% away of the all-time high for Bitcoin. And remember, as we are getting to a close for October, that those were the paths since 2017, and maybe 2016 is the more similar path we are following. If that's the case, that was election year in United States, just 8 days away of that day, just one more day for the decision of the Fed of cutting the rates again, probably. And that's why maybe we are just in the crazy 8 days to that point. We might go $10,000 up 14% since the point we are right now to $78,000 and above if we follow the path that we did in 2016. Maybe that's the case, maybe not. Thing is that Kamala Harris seems that is going to lose the elections big time. She was for second night in a row scorched at her rallies, while Elon Musk and Donald Trump are doing a better campaign, giving away millions and millions of dollars and some random people. And also, of course, with X that now rules Elon Musk. This is 2 years after he took X by force. Remember all these fired people, etc. But we have some thoughts for Elon Musk. 2 years ago, Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion. If he bought Bitcoin instead, he would now have $143 billion. So it wasn't the best investment, Elon Musk. You should have eaten the orange peel, the one that we spotted in Lugano. Also there in Switzerland, we had this drone light show. So, little by little, not just fireworks, but drones spectacles that are related with Bitcoin. Congratulations on that. Elon Musk that says, I am the largest individual taxpayer in history. I've paid over 10 billion tax. I thought the IRS might send me a little trophy or something, like at least a karate trophy from when your kid wins a competitions, at least a cookie or something. Funny stuff. Is not funny paying so many taxes in Spain, but you have to do it. How? With coin tracking, the only tool that is going to allow you doing so with your portfolio. So if you need a portfolio, if you need to do this tax report, this is the tool I use. You have the link in the description below with a 10% discount. Consider any case that Elon Musk is going to send people to Mars in 2 years. Did you know that stars need to align? Well, they do. And we are going to have a window of opportunity in 2 years' time. So thank you, Elon Musk, for getting us to Mars. Would you go in that spaceship? In the spaceship of Joe Rogan's experience was finally Donald Trump. He was there for 3 hours, and we are mad with Joe Rogan because he, in 3 hours, never asked him about cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Bad boy, Joe Rogan. Any case, it had 27 million views in a day. That's a record for the interview. And today I'm gonna watch it. I haven't already. Today I have to watch No Agenda. I have to watch the Rogan Experience. It was a nice weekend, but I have some homework to do today. So are you greedy or are you not? The market is greedy right now, of course, and we want dollar to go down from this line. We'll see about that maybe today. If you consider situation in the world, well, Janet Yellen was asked about her concerns over the US dollar's world reserve status, and before she could respond, the Treasury Department sign crashed to the ground. So just watch it.
And how concerned are you about the potential impact of the dollar's status as the world's reserve currency?
Well, we are a little bit concerned, as you can see. Incredible things happen in this life that we call the Matrix. And the stock market is going up in Asia, Japan, and China. So we'll see, today might be an amazing day for the stock markets and for Bitcoin. It is for the company that rules, Michael Saylor. MSTR is one of the mostly high-traded stocks in the market. Mother of God, says the Bitcoin therapist, since the bull market is approaching full force. And talking about Michael Saylor, we have this video, which is amazing. He's going to explain you how Bitcoin is going to be 7% of the world's capital, and his long-term forecast price for Bitcoin is 13 million over 21 years.
You buy Bitcoin, you hold it for more than 4 years, Joe. That's my advice to everybody.
For anyone, buy it and hold it for more than 4 years. And then you think eventually it takes how much, let's say it is digital gold, what percentage of gold's market cap does it finally?
You know, Bitcoin's 0.1% of the capital in the world right now. I think it's going to go to 7% of the capital.
7%?
My long-term forecast is it's going to go to 13 million over 21 years.
13 million.
13 million, but what is it 5 years from now? In your 4-year calculus?
You know, it's been growing 44% a year with about a 40 to 50 vol. I would think it'll move on at 40%, then click down to 35, then 30, then 25, and at some point it'll be the S&P return plus 8%, and it'll be the S&P vol plus 8%, because it's always going to be a more global, open, free capital market. Bitcoin's an expression in this view that you want to invest in an asset without counterparty risk, which means you don't want to be counterparty to a country, a currency, a city, a company, a commodity, or a culture, right? So people think it's a risky thing. It's all about people wanting to not take risk. They don't want to guess whether Picasso's or real estate in New York or NVIDIA stock will be higher in 10 years. They want to buy money. They want to buy 1/21 millionth of all the money in the world forever.
Forever. Amazing words from Michael Saylor. Thank you very much. And if that doesn't make you feel optimistic today, maybe the idea that the gap in the CME futures was closed, so we did that homework. It's true that we still have some like in 54,000, etc. But right now the closest one is closed, so we can go higher. Also, we had this trading sign, the bird break sign in the Heikin Ashi chart. Of course, I have no idea whatsoever what that means, but the last time we have this in 2023, 2024, and 2024 was a good sign for Bitcoin for rising. Also, consider that less than 5% of the global population has invested in crypto, so maybe that gives you some more FOMO. Also, the idea that we have this path to 100K on Bitcoin, and we are following it. We told you in previous videos, and today we again tell you about this strategy Crypto Rover here. If you want to be profitable buying Bitcoin, just buy Bitcoin 500 days before the halving and sell it 500 days after the halving. In the last cycles, this was a very, very good idea, as we told you in dedicated videos. But today I ask for that specific date. When is 500 days after the halving? Well, ChatGPT has no clue, as the date for the halving is wrong. Perplexity was okay in the day of the halving, but then it calculated wrong that thing that we asked it. So with Gemini, we'll have 6 September 2025, which is not correct because it's not considering this specific year. And finally, Claude is giving us the good answer. It's going to be September the 1st, 2025. Also, just as we learned this, maybe we have to sell September 1st, 2025. Well, also you learned that Claude, at this case, was better than Gemini, than Perplexity, or than ChatGPT. If you want to learn more about AI, of course, you have to go to our other channel. We have 103 videos already, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Arneto. Also, we have to learn about this and tell you in future videos. Coinbase is introducing Base Agent, allowing crypto users to set up their own AI agents in 3 minutes. I have to go there and check it by myself. The idea there is that you can do some tasks like trading and staking with this AI-powered wallet within minutes. Partnering with OpenAI, Coinbase aims to make crypto management simpler and autonomous. We'll see about that. I will tell you in future videos, of course. And today we celebrate that maybe we are going to have, as we had in the past, Bitcoin printing 5K candles in a day. Maybe today, tomorrow, we are in that new all-time high. Remember also that altcoins would flew like 50% left, right, and center. Small caps like 10xing in matter of hours. Literal sleepless night. This is just the pre-game warm-up, as Michael Saylor is telling us. Maybe so. The bubbles are mostly in the green. And maybe it's interesting to consider that in the next days, altcoins, meme coins related with election day are going to be the meta. So maybe you can make a lot of money with that. How? Well, you need information. Information comes from dextrus.io, an app, my favorite one that I use every single day. You have the link in the description below. There you can see if meme coins related with dogs or frogs or maybe election day are the next ones to rise like crazy. And this is a follow-up. Remember these 19-20 million US government funds that were moved, allegedly hacked? Well, those were returned by this blockchain company, Tether, and it has some critics out there like, well, it's not decentralized, etc. But the thing is that this money is back in US government. Also, talking about Tether, the Tether CEO announced his company now owns 82,454 Bitcoin, worth $5.55 billion. Amazing stuff. Ethereum keeps on rising as the market right now. Remember, of course, how different from Bitcoin is, and that Bitcoin dominance keeps on rising. And for our partners, remember to buy a cold wallet Trezor right now, link in the description below, and also consider validating with us some Cardano, Nino. We have 435 delegators, and we did validate another block, so we are validating, as you can see, like crazy. Come with us, validate with us, and we just go by now to research, so we have another crypto news soon enough. Here, crypto news, fun on the right, Rodrigo Arneto, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come.